Welcome to Google Sites, creating a site from scratch, page setup, presented by the Fruitland Park Library. Part 1 of 4. Table of Contents Part 1. Open Google account for free. Select a theme. Name the site. Menu options. Settings. Creating a navigation menu. Adding a background color to the navigation menu. Brand images. Viewer tools and custom domains. Announcement banner will be covered in Part 2. Main menu, header and images. Issues with the theme. If you do not have a Google account, please go to https://accounts.google.com and sign up for a Google account. It's free. If you already have a Google account, please go to Google Sites. You can select to create a website from scratch or select a template. Selecting from the template gallery gives you dozens of pre-made templates to choose from. For now, we're going to be using the Diplomat theme. The first thing we want to do is name our site. Click on the words Untitled Site. They will become highlighted. Then enter the name of your website. Type in the name of your business in the upper left corner. Above the screen are menu options. The link icon is grayed out because the site has not been published, so the link cannot be copied. Go to Settings. The icon looks like a gear and click on it. We're going to set up our website. You can always come back later and make changes if you change your mind about a setting. Select where you want the navigation menu to be located, on the top or side, and click on your choice. Top has been selected for this tutorial. To keep the website user-friendly, it's better to keep the navigation menu in the same location on all pages. Click on the arrow next to the word Transparent and select the color of your primary navigation menu. Transparent was selected because an image will be used as a background. Brand Images allows you the option of uploading a logo. Once uploaded, it will appear in the upper left corner. Once you upload a logo, make sure to enter the alternate text to describe the logo. If you do not want a logo to appear on the navigation menu, simply click the trash can to delete it. Favicon allows you to add an image which will appear in your browser when the site is published. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will not be changing the settings under Viewer Tools. Info icon resembles the letter I and provides additional information when clicked and the site has been published. Anchor links are also called jump links. When clicked, take you to another section on the page. We will not be using info icons or anchor links at this time. To connect to your custom domain, click Start Setup. Remember, you can create and launch a website using Google Sites for free. They will even give you free hosting and a Google site domain. So you have options to use Google Sites or use another. Google Analytics displays the performance of your website. The announcement banner will be covered in Part 2. To close settings, click on the X. Click on Themes. Themes allow you to choose the style, colors, and different themes. Create a custom theme or import a theme for your website. You can always change the theme anytime you wish. However, you may have to experiment with the different themes before selecting one. The following is an example of one of the issues using the pre-made theme of Diplomat. Hover your mouse over the text and the text becomes surrounded by a blue line. Highlight the text, then type in the business name. As you highlight the text, the main menu appears above the text, which allows you to format the text. Select heading size, font style and size, bold, italic, underline, link, emoji, duplicate, or delete. If you click on the three horizontal dots, also called Meatballs menu, it opens more options. If you hover the mouse over the screen, two pop-ups appear. One controls the header type in images, and the other opens themes on the right side of the screen. If you click on header type, a dialog box opens with four choices. Banner options. Title shows only the title of the site. Banner is a standard size header. There is a difference between a large banner and a cover. The cover header is larger than the large banner and fills the entire screen above any content. The larger banner background image is large but remains at the top of the screen. Besides using a pre-made theme, you can also upload an image from your files or select an image from Google Drive, Google Photos, or a web search. The image I chose to use with the Diplomat theme caused an issue with the Google sites. Diplomat options. Clicking the downward arrow for the font style displays a drop-down menu. Clicking on the last icon on the right of any theme displays the color palette. Note the message from Google: some font colors may be changed for readability. You can change different elements of the theme depending on which theme you have. Clicking anywhere on the color palette to change the color, just select another color and click again. A background image was added. As you can see, the color is awful, not even close to the original color. Using the color palette did not resolve the issue. The only way to resolve the issue is to change the theme. Google Sites controls the color palettes to the themes. I recommend selecting a theme that doesn't distort the color or create a custom theme. This concludes creating a site from scratch, part 1 of 4. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for parts 2 through 4. If you would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact the Fruitland Park Library at 352-360-6561.